Let's just get your reactions coming about and breaking news coming in. Aishwarya, from what we're hearing is there's a complete face-off as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, and this is ex-Home Minister's remarks. We're talking about Chidambaram there saying that why assume that the terrorists came from Pakistan, they could be homegrown as well, while the BJP is really reacting to those comments made by of course, Chidambaram, and this is in regard to, saying that the Congress party is literally giving a clean chit when it comes to Pakistan, and the Congress party seems to be sounding like the lawyers of Pakistan. That is the reaction coming about. Aishwarya, take us to what was said and what is now, being said in reaction to that.
Well, Bharatiya Janata Party lashing out at the Congress party, in fact, the ex-Home Minister of our country, P. Chidambaram, who went on to say that till now, the terrorists had not been nabbed. The NIA is currently investigating. How do you know that they are a homegrown people, or they have come all the way from Pakistan? To which the Bharatiya Janata Party has attacked ex-Home Minister P. Chidambaram, stating that he is speaking in the same voice that a Pakistani speaks. In fact, just like Islamabad spokesperson, Home Minister is giving clean chit to Pakistan. He is not, putting out the facts that how it was the TRF, the resistant front, who claimed the terrorist attack on the soil of Pahalgam, and after there was repeated request that was made from the Indian side to the United States, finally we saw how the TRF was ultimately banned. The TRF works under the Pak-sponsored watchdog. It is a Pak-sponsored terror group, and finally it has been designated as a terror group, and certainly these terrorists had infiltrated from the borders, from the Pakistani soil, and therefore it was Indian armed forces who retaliated. So a very, very strong rebuttal from the Bharatiya Janata Party, but shocking comments just ahead of the Operation Sindoor debate in the Lok Sabha.